We have succeeded in quantifying monovalent copper concentration in plating solution using this simple method. By quantification, monovalent copper is a parameter that anyone can use. Our research will contribute to future plating technology.
If the neutralizing and viscous solutions are prepared beforehand, simply mix the plating solution and measure it. So even at the manufacturing site, measurement of monovalent copper becomes possible. We monitor the variation of monovalent copper in the plating bath, which resulted in improvement of the manufacturing process.
Our aim is prediction of coating quality based on optical evaluation of solution. Optical methods are extremely suitable for production sites. It will be a key device for plating manufacturing technology to IoT.
To begin this procedure, add a stir bar to a 200 milliliter beaker. Pour 150 milliliters of copper sulfate plating solution into the beaker. And leave the plating solution at room temperature for 1 hour. Begin the flow of nitrogen gas at a flow rate of 85 milliliters per minute. Insert the tube for the nitrogen gas into the beaker and deoxidize the plating solution for at least 30 minutes. Using metal scissors, cut a 0.3 millimeter thick copper plate to 9.5 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Cut a 0.1 millimeter thick platinum plate to the same dimensions. Wash both the copper and platinum plates with ethanol, and then rinse with pure water.